Jackfruit, with its sweet flavor and impressive nutritional profile, is a favorite among tropical fruits. However, not all food pairings with jackfruit are beneficial. In fact, some could be harmful to your health. Certain combinations may elevate the risk of developing cancer and dementia due to the way these foods interact with jackfruit's natural compounds. For example, when paired with foods high in preservatives or artificial additives, the naturally occurring antioxidants in jackfruit might be compromised, leading to an increase in oxidative stress. This stress can damage cells and DNA, potentially triggering the development of cancerous cells. On the other hand, choosing the right foods to pair with jackfruit can not only mitigate these risks, but also enhance its health benefits. For instance, combining jackfruit with anti-inflammatory foods can help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing the risk of cancer. Moreover, these healthy pairings can support brain health, lowering the chances of dementia as we age. We will explore the worst food combinations that could increase your cancer risk and share some of the best pairings that maximize jackfruit's nutritional potential. So first worst food you should never combine with jackfruit is bitter gourd. Mixing jackfruit with bitter gourd can result in a combination that is harsh on the digestive system. Bitter gourd contains compounds that are difficult to digest, and when combined with the dense fibers of jackfruit, it can lead to severe digestive issues, including nausea and abdominal discomfort. Second worst food you never combined with jackfruit is radish. Pairing jackfruit with radish can create a challenging combination for your digestive system. Radish is known for its pungent properties and can cause gas and bloating when eaten with other fibrous foods like jackfruit. The difficulty in digesting both foods together can lead to the production of toxic byproducts in the gut. Third food never combine with jackfruit is coffee. Combining jackfruit with coffee can lead to significant digestive discomfort due to the acidic nature of coffee. The acidity can react with the natural enzymes in jackfruit, causing irritation in the stomach lining. Over time, this may lead to chronic inflammation in the digestive tract, increasing the risk of developing ulcers or other gastrointestinal issues. Now that we've thoroughly discussed the worst food combinations with jackfruit, it's time to shift our attention to the best pairings. Now, first best food you combined with jackfruit is kale. Combining jackfruit with kale creates a supercharged nutrient blend. Kale is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium and antioxidants. When paired with jackfruit, which provides a range of vitamins and fiber, this combination boosts your intake of essential nutrients that support immune function, bone health, and detoxification. Second best combining food with jackfruit is coconut flakes. Pairing jackfruit with coconut flakes offers a delicious and nutritious mix. They also contain fiber and minerals like manganese and copper. Combined with jackfruit's vitamins and fiber, this pairing supports overall energy levels.